Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog, and for today's video ay mag-a-unbox tayo ng mga gift ko sa sarili ko and sasagot tayo ng top 10 questions from my followers. So if you are one of my active follower, alam mo na talagang mahilig ako sa bag and nagko-collect ako ng bag. And for my 29th birthday, I've decided na bumili naman ng mga bagong bags na wala lang, gift ko lang sa sarili ko. And sasagot tayo ng mga tanong. So, let's start with the first question. Sabi ni Ize Belale, paano niyo po nababalanse ang pagiging isang CEO ng isang malaking kumpanya at pagiging single mother? And at the same time, hinahandle ang health nyo na madalas sinusubok kayo. Thank you in advance, madam, follower and reseller, user ako ng Brilliant since 2018. So number one, I think it's good that I have a very good team, kaya nahahandle ko yung company and at the same time, ang pagiging mother. And sa health naman, actually sometimes nako-compromise. But right now, I'm 100% healthy. Super back to work as in everyday work. Back to vlog na rin. So for my first unboxing, I'll start. So this one is a small Lady Dior. Tama ba? Kasi hindi ako magaling sa mga tawag. But this one is a small Lady Dior in Love Skin in champagne hardware. Kasi ayoko na nung gold. Nahilig ako sa mga silver. So, ang tawag sa kanyang color ay champagne. So, this one, I bought this in Barcelona. So, this one is 400,000 pesos. So, ang cute niya kasi wala lang. Parang marami akong malalagay. She's cute. Siguro I'll go with the second question. Ano ang biggest multo ng buhay mo na gusto mo nang kalimutan? Meron ba? Parang wala. It makes sense for me to remember everything. Kasi yung mga bad things na nangyari before, it serves as my inspiration and learning na rin from the past. So, I don't think may gusto akong kalimutan. Kahit yung mga bad things, bad memories, I want to keep them in me so that someday I can remember it and malay mo, maging lesson ko pa yan sa mga future na mangyayari sa akin. So, for my second bag, it's the same. It's a Lady Dior, small, in black naman. So, bakit ba puro Dior? Right now, based on my research, from Hermes, Chanel, parang Dior is next, di ba? So, this one, ganun din. It's around 400K. But I think it's cheaper sa Europe. Meron akong tax refund. So, for my third question, sabi ni Melanie Harilia, sa kabila ng mga samot-saring dumarating na problema ng isang CEO na katulad mo, kanino po or saan ka pa kumukuha ng lakas para malagpasan at muling bumangon sa lahat ng mga taong nanakit emotionally, nasabay pa ang health po nyo. Pero in the end, eto po kayo bumabangon at still, isang mas matapang na CEO ang nagbalik para sa kanyang mga minamahal at nagmamahal. Ang haba. Pero sabi niya, paano nyo po ito nakayan lahat? So, number one, I still have my kids. So, I need to be strong for them. Next is, ang daming umaasa sa akin. Kaya kailangan magpatuloy. And syempre, ang dami kong employees na nagre-rely sa akin. So, I have to keep working for them. Or sabi nga sa kasabihan, the Lord will fight for you. You only need to be still. So, sa kabila ng lahat, bashers, my health, and everything, I have God. Diba? Kailangan mo lang maging matatag. So, for my fourth bag, ang tawag sa kanya ay Lady D-Joy. I think it's the recent collection of Dior. Yung shape niya, it's perfect for casual and mga events. So this one, mas mura siya kasi mas maliit siya. So again, this is a Lady D Joy in plum skin na black. Pareho lang siya, but as you can see, magkaiba yung shape niya. So this is their new collection. I like it kasi nga champagne yung kanyang hardwares. Madali siyang bagayan kasi pag gold, parang kailangan gold din yung accessories mo and all. So, yan. So, this one is, I think, mas cheaper. Around 320,000 pesos. So, meron akong binili dito. Actually, it's a second hand, but in good condition. Wait lang. Question muna. How do you deal with the stress? Sabi ni MJ Maloles. So, dati iniisip ko siya lagi. I mean, kaya nga ako na-diagnose with PTSD kasi I kept on thinking my problems, the bashers, the stress. But right now, I'm dealing it with kindness. Charot. With pagiging palavarn. But with grace and wala lang. Akala nyo may paki ako, pero in reality, I don't mind. Yun, ganun lang. Hindi ko na siya iniisip kasi stress can kill us. So this one, it's a Birkin 25 on gold in palladium hardware. So meron na akong gold on gold and I've decided to buy another one. It's still in a good condition. But I'm surprised. Grabe yung Hermes ngayon. Sobrang tumaas na yung value niya. I remember I bought my first Birkin for only 700,000 pesos. This one, it's a second hand, pero I purchased it for 1.1 million pesos. Ang ganda nun. Diba? Such a baby. Bukod sa dalawa kong anak, ito yung mga babies ko. So, one. Diba? Sa Hermes, isa. Sa Dior, meron ka ng 3. But, you can never go wrong with buying a Birkin. Kasi the value will go up, up, up. Can you imagine yung Birkin ko dati, 700K? So, ayan na. I bought 4. But, I have 3 more sa Singapore. Ipapakita ko yun sa inyo, pero wala pa sila ngayon. So, ito yung mga purchases ko right now. And this one, question muna. Malay mo, ibigay ko to sa inyo. Charot.